The error code E89 indicates a faulty power supply in the dryer, typically caused by a communication error in the circuit board or a faulty power source. To fix this issue, the first step is to reset the dryer by switching it off, unplugging it from the wall socket, waiting 2 minutes, and then plugging it back in and restarting the cycle to see if the error is resolved. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the power unit, in which case a technician should be contacted. Another solution is to perform maintenance on the dryer, which involves setting the dial to the cotton cycle and then pressing the iron symbol at the bottom of the display. The dial should then be adjusted to the sports cycle to view the cycle duration and CP1 on the display. Next, 1.5 liters of hot water should be poured onto the condenser reservoir, which should then be returned and adjusted until a clicking sound is heard. The start button can then be pressed to begin the maintenance cycle, which will end when the word "end" appears on the screen. Finally, the reservoir should be emptied and reinstalled to see if the error has been resolved.